So starting the test drive in this Sierra 1500, this one you can definitely tell has some age on it. It's the engine's got just a tad bit of wear I can hear in it. The seats just a bit worn in terms of the support here, but everything else is still good as new. And again, those are just some things I'm nitpicking on. It's running good so far, and relatively comfortable in the truck. I can just feel where the seats kind of been worn on this left side. But I mean, overall, pretty smooth driving truck. I won't be able to stop, but I'm gonna try to give it a pull here. Here we go. I hit that bump extremely hard, so that was pretty fun actually. I mean, had some pickup there. With the 6-speed, it was just hesitating just a tad. Don't want to say it's necessarily a mechanical issue. It might just be, you know, this isn't a sports car, so it's gonna be a tad bit sluggish when you randomly just give it throttle. But it got where it needed to be. Pretty smooth coming down the interstate here, as I would expect. And with this having the off-road suspension with the Z71 package, I'm pretty impressed by the ride quality here. Sound acoustics in here are pretty good. Here in the outside world a tad, but I mean, it's not loud at all. But I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever used vehicle you might be interested in. Now overall, I think this is a solid truck. I've always liked these, like I said earlier, for the design, the features that you got for this to be a 2018 model, brand new. It had quite a bit, but it's just it feels like a traditional pickup truck that's modern. It doesn't feel like you're driving a robot like a Cybertruck or anything like that, and that's one of the things I love about it. Now on paper, these are pretty nice. Even the original sticker price, you got a lot if you got the SLT as opposed to going up to the Denali, paying that extra money. You still have the option with the heated cooled seats, the navigation system, the heated steering wheel, 4-wheel drive, the Z71 package. And I just like how this one in particular is equipped with all the things that I would want if I was in the market for one of these trucks. It's just a lot cheaper because it is pre-owned. And honestly, it's held up pretty nicely. Again, there are a few telltales just letting you know this isn't a brand new truck. But for the most part, especially for this kind of mileage and for it to be close to 10 years old, it's impressive how well maintained this was. The steering wheel's not really showing any wear there, which is impressive. The shifter, the buttons, like on those older Tahoes and Avalanches, how the buttons used to go green where you push them too much. These all look brand new. None of the writing is coming off or anything like that. The infotainment system, not messed up at all. And then even the gauges, everything seems to be working properly. And if you want a full-size truck and you don't necessarily want to get a new one, you just want something that has a lot of tech in it, but not necessarily all the new safety features and, you know, everything being in the touchscreen now, whatnot, this is a good way to go, I think. And again, it doesn't necessarily break the bank. You can get a, you know, pretty good sized loan on it. Won't have to necessarily pay cash. And then you can get extended warranties on it as well if you want to just have that extra peace of mind. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT.